In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio website through Carrd. Start by heading to Carrd and opening the dashboard. From there, click the New Site button to begin a fresh build. In the template picker, switch to the Portfolio tab so you're only seeing layouts designed for showcasing your work. Browse through the options, pick the one that best matches your style and content needs, and then click Select to load it into the editor. With the template open, make your edits. Replace placeholder text with your name, your role, and a short value-packed intro. Swap in your own images or project thumbnails, update links to your work, and adjust colors, fonts, and spacing so the page reflects your personal brand. Keep the layout clean and make sure each section has a clear purpose. An intro, selected projects, a short bio, and a way to get in touch are usually enough. Preview as you go to confirm everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy, click the publish icon at the top of the editor. Add a clear, descriptive title so visitors instantly know who you are and what you do. Write a concise description that summarizes your expertise. This doubles as metadata that can help with search and social sharing. Next, choose an action for how you want to proceed. If you want to go live immediately, publish to a .carrd.co URL for a fast, hassle-free launch. If you already have your own domain and want a branded address, publish to a custom domain and follow the prompts to connect it. If you've built a layout you'll reuse for clients or future projects, save it as a template to speed up your next site. And if you'd prefer to keep working offline or hold changes for later, save as an offline draft so nothing publishes yet. Finally, click Save to confirm your choice and lock in the changes. That's it. Your Carrd portfolio is set, professional, and ready to share.